Welcome, everybody. So with that, I'll begin the presentation. We'll start out with a month-end close. One of everyone's favorite topics, especially those that are in AR, know the various roles and responsibilities of the AR applications process, and that goes everything from the credit process all the way through cash applications and closing out the AR. So there are four major things that we're going to discuss as far as the accounts closing the challenges, the ways of overcoming some of those challenges, and key points to remember when building your close process checklist, which we'll cover in more detail as we go through the presentation. And of course, assessing the close process in the four quadrants. The goal here is to give you as much information as possible. Some of this may be redundant to some of you, others that are joining us for the first time and are new in the role. I hope to give you some background as well so that everybody benefits from this presentation. So first of all, the close process, or FCM as it's referred to by many of the ERP solution providers, is a recurring process by which the accounting team will verify and adjust the balances at the end of a designated period, whether that be a quarter, a month, or it's for the benefit of a number of people. Of course, there's the investors, the lenders who are out there, as well as regulatory agencies. I don't put it for the benefit of the auditors, although the auditors are very much interested in the close process, and internal and external auditors take an active part in all of the major closes. That would be close at quarter and year end. The business is also performing a month-end close to ensure that their accounting data is organized well and that the transactions are properly accounted for. A little side note here, when I was in California and ERPs were first coming into vogue, a couple of companies, I won't mention them, but a couple of companies couldn't close their books because the ERP solution provider and the installer didn't do a good job of mapping, aligning all of the information that was necessary to do a good close. And it was 3 months before they could get to it. So it is very important that the financials are in order as well as the close process to make sure that everything is accounted for.